Don't wait, this one won't last. Inverness Village, ground floor unit now available. All you need is your suitcase. Furniture and most furnishings are included, so you can enjoy living the Florida lifestyle with plenty of free time and maintenance-free community. This charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, located in the Inverness Villages, a 55-plus community, is ready for you to call it home, plus it's just steps from the community pool where you can meet new friends and neighbors. You'll appreciate the beautiful wood floors in the entertaining areas, breakfast bar and updated paint selections throughout. Air conditioner 2020. Enjoy your favorite beverage or enjoy reading a good book on your all-seasons porch with direct access to the courtyard area. This is a great snowbird retreat or full-time Florida destination. Heated pool, lush landscaping, mature native Florida oak trees, shuffleboard, community room, and this is not all. This location is conveniently near parks, Whispering Pines Park, Rails to Trails biking trail, shopping, restaurants, hospitals, medical centers and doctors' offices right down the street. You can even park/store your RV or boat in specified parking. Monthly association fee includes Spectrum Cable and Wi-Fi, sewer/water and trash removal and more. Call today for a showing.